Okay, all of you are ready? Good morning. Good morning, ma. Okay, all of you all take your English readers and turn your book to page number 90. Okay, turn your book to page number 90. Okay, all of you have taken your book? Yes, now what we're going to read unit number 7. What is the lesson name?
Which number, ma'am?
Very good. Life, then and now. What do you understand by that? Life, then and now. Okay? Yes. Okay, the unit number 7, lesson heading is life, then and now. What do you mean by life, then and life now? What do you mean by that? Time changes, right? Okay, time changes, right? When your parents were small, when your parents were like you, okay, that time they did not have, most of us, we lived in villages only, right? Okay, in villages only. Even in city also, you did not have so much of traffic. Now, can you go outside? Can you all go walking? Will you be safe on the main road? No, right? There will be so many vehicles which keeps coming. You need to be very, very careful when you walk on the road. Without elders, you should not walk alone. Okay? So, life then means life when many years back, probably when the time when your parents were small, your grandparents were their parents, right? Okay, like it is that time. It refers to that time when your parents were small. Okay, life now means now what you all are facing. Okay, how the situation is now. Okay, here in this lesson, before we read the lesson, can you all see two pictures given here on page number 90? Can you see two pictures given? Yes? Okay. Now, look at the pictures of a village and a city given below. So, which is a picture of a village and which is a picture of a city? Very good. The first picture is that of a village and the second picture is that of a city. Yes, so the first picture is a picture of a village and the second picture is of a city. Okay, so here you need to write in your notebook as many words as you can describing the actions, people or objects in the picture. Now in this picture, in the picture of a village, okay, what can you all see here, children? What all do you all see? Very good, you can see animals, then temple, animals, temples. Can you see some people sitting and talking?
People.
Yes, okay, some people are also talking. Then can you see a lady walking? Yes, you can see a lady walking. Okay. And then what else can you see? You can see some cows, right? Okay. And then there are some more animals. Probably they are the goat or the sheep. Okay, which the shepherd is taking them, right? Okay, now in the picture of a city. Okay, the second picture, what do you see? Page number 90. Okay, page number 90. The second picture, what can you all see, children? What do you all see here? Yes, you can see a school, right? Yes, and then you can also see children. Okay, very good. Okay, now turn your book to page number 91. Turn your book to the next page. Okay, turn your book to the next page, page number 91. Okay. Now, describe orally in 1 or 2 sentences what is happening in the pictures below. Okay, you can see so many pictures given here, right? There are about 7 pictures here. What do you see? In the first picture, what are they doing? In the first picture, what are they doing? They are playing. Which game are they playing? They are playing cricket, right? They are playing cricket. And in the second picture, what can you see? Very good. This is hide and seek. Very good. Girl, see, you can see someone's closing that boy's eyes, and then the other girl is hiding, and there another child also who's hiding. Next one, the third picture, what can you see?
Computer.
Very good. A boy is playing computer games, and then they are playing Ludo, right? Yes. Yes, this is Ludo. And then what game is this one? Who has played this game? Lagori. Have you all played those seven stones? Yes. Okay. And then here you have another picture of a game where you just throw a stone and then you start hopping on the boxes, right? Okay. And then you have another picture here where all the children are joining hands and playing. Okay. So if you see here, even in this picture also, you can differentiate which are the games that are played now and which are the games which are played in the villages. Mostly, see, they play Lagori, they play this. Here even in city life also you all have games like this, but then I'm not sure how many of you all have played this game now or how many of you all play this game now, right? Okay, but then in villages you'll find people playing these games, okay, whereas these days over here you will play video games. How many of you all play video games at home? Yes, see, some of you all play video games, right? Okay, now here we will start reading the lesson. You will play Lagori. Very good, Roshan. Okay. Now turn your book to page number 92. We will start reading the lesson. Okay, turn your book to page number football. Very good. You have to go outside and play. That only is your physical activity, your exercise for the day, right? Okay. Now we will read the lesson. Turn your book to page number 92. This lesson is about a boy named Rahim. Okay, what is that boy's name? What is that boy's name? Rahim. Very good. That boy. Yes, it's a story about a boy called Rahim. Okay, they have given you the details about when Rahim was a small boy, how the situation was, and once he grows up and moves to the city, how the situation is. Okay, so let us read the lesson. Everyone's finger on the book. As I'm reading, I want you to follow what I'm reading. Okay, children? Okay, now read. Then and now. When Rahim was a child, he lived in a quiet village. Okay, so when Rahim was a child, where did he live? Very good. And how was the village? It was very quiet. It was not noisy like the city life, right? Here, even near a house also, you will find so many vehicles moving, right? It is very noisy here, right? Okay, but here when Rahim was a child, he lived in a very quiet village. There was very little traffic and his family knew everybody. Okay, so basically when you stay in a village, you tend to know everyone, all your neighbors, right? A village is a small place, right? Okay, because of that you will know everyone who stays in the village. Okay, the same way here, even when Rahim was staying in the village, there was not much traffic. Okay, there was not much traffic, and even his family members, his parents, they knew everybody in the village. Okay, he walked to school with his sister. After school, he played outside with his friends. Okay, so how did he go to school, children? How did Rahim go to school? Yes, very good. He walked along with his sister. Very good. And after school, what did he do? Very good. He played with his friends. Okay. In the evening, he sat and prayed with his parents. Okay. So in the evening, what did he do? He sat and then he prayed with his... Yes, he prayed with his parents. People enjoyed helping each other. Okay. In villages, basically, if anyone comes asking for any help, they would help each other. Okay. So here, when Rahim was small, where did he stay? Very good. He lived in a quiet village. And how was the traffic there? Was it too noisy? No, there was very less traffic. And his family also knew everybody in the village. Okay. And then how did he go to school, children? Very good. He walked. With whom did he go to school? Very good. He walked and went along with his sister. Okay. And in the evening, what did he do? Very good. He played with his friends. Very good. So after he came back from school, he used to play with his friends. Okay. Then after he played, then what did he do? Very good. He sat and then as a family they would sit together and pray. Okay. Now this is the life of Rahim when he was a small boy like you all. Okay. The first paragraph, it shows about Rahim's lifestyle when he was a small boy like each one of you. Okay. Now let us see once he grows up. Yes, Ali Bibina. Page number 92. Page number 92. Okay. Now we are going to see about Rahim's life once he grows up and becomes a big man. Okay. Now again I'll read the second paragraph. Okay. I want you to put your finger on your book and follow what I am reading. Okay. Now Rahim has grown up. He lives in a big city. Okay, so when he was small, where did Rahim live? Very good. He lived in a village. Now that he's grown up, where is he living now? Very good. Now after he's become a grown man, now he lives in a city. There is a lot of traffic and he knows only a few people. Okay, so in village, he knew everyone, right? And the traffic also was very less. But then in the city, there is a lot of traffic, right? There are many vehicles and he also does not know everybody. He only knows very few people. Ali Bibina, I told you the page number is 92. Yes. Okay, ma? Next, Rahim's children go to school by car. After school, they watch television. In the evening, they do their homework and study for the examination. Okay. Now, how did Rahim go to school when he was a small boy? Very good. He used to walk along with his sister. But how is Rahim's children going to school now? How is Rahim's sister? Very good. Rahim's children, they go to school by car. And after school, what did Rahim do? They played, yes. After coming back from school, Rahim used to play with his friends, right? But here, what do the children do after they come back from school? Very good. They watch television. Okay, so after you all go back home, what do you all do? All of you also sit and watch TV? Yes? Okay, so just like you all, even Rahim's children also, They used to watch television. You'll also play. Very good, Roshan. Okay. Now next, in the evening, what did Rahim do when he was a small boy? They used to have family prayer, right? They all used to sit together and they used to pray. But here, what do Rahim's children, what are they doing in the evening? Very good. They do their homework and then they also study for their examination. Okay, now do you understand how Rahim's childhood was and how Rahim's children's childhood is? Yes? Yes, okay. So when Rahim was small, he used to live in a village, but when he grew up, he started living in the city. Most of the people who are in the village, they come to city. Why do they come to city? For better opportunities to earn and to provide for the family better, right? Okay, so that is why people living in the village also, once they finish their studies, they move to the city so that they can earn better. Okay, children? Okay, so did you all understand this lesson? Is it easy? Very good, Ali Bibina. Yes? Very good. Anyone has any doubt? Okay, shall we do the exercise now? Okay, now I want you all to take your pencil. Take your pencil. Okay, first main. Okay, you have read the question and answers I will be giving you. I will send you the notes on WhatsApp. Okay, here we will write the rest of the exercise in the textbook. Okay, read the sentences and say yes or no. First one, Rahim walked to school with his sister. Yes or no? Yes, very good. The first one, circle yes. First one, circle yes. Okay, first one, circle yes. Second one, there was a lot of traffic in the village. Yes or no? No, very good. There was very little traffic in the village, right? Okay, so circle no. Okay, next third one. In cities, students watch TV after school. Yes. Okay. Yes. Circle yes. Yes. Circle yes. Okay, you just need to circle. They've already given you yes or no. Just circle the right answer. Okay. Now next one. Let us learn new words. Fill in the blanks by selecting the appropriate word given in the brackets. Okay, first one, Rahim lived in a dash village. Quiet village or noisy village? Very good, quiet village. Okay, in the first dash, right? Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Okay. Second one. Everyone finished? Yes. Second one. There was dash traffic when Rahim was a child. There was? Very good. Very little. Right. V-E-R-Y. Very. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. You may not have place. In the dash there, write up and down. Write very on top and below that write little. Okay? Very little traffic when Rahim was a child. Okay? V-E-R-Y, very. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. T-T-L-E, little. Okay. Next, Third one, Rahim walked to school with his dash, brother or sister?
Sister.
Very good. He walked with his sister, right? S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Third blank, right? S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay? Everyone is written? Okay? Now next, fourth one. Rahim played with his dash. Friends or relatives? Friends. Very good. Right. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Friends. Okay, everyone is finished till fourth one. Shall I erase the board? Okay, shall I erase the board, children? Okay. Now next one. Okay, now next one. Group the objectives given below as things you see in a village or a city. Okay, you have two boxes given. One is for village and one is for city. Very good. One is for city. Now you tell me, car do you see in a village or a city? Very good. So under city, write C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Okay, second one, hut. Where do you see a hut, children?
Village.
Very good. In a village, right? H-U-T, hut. Yes, under village, right? Hut. Okay? Very good. Next, third one, a cart. It can be a bullock cart or a tonga. So, where do you see a cart, children? Village. Very good. You see a cart in a village, right? C-A-R-T, cart. Under village, right? C-A-R-T, cart. Yes. Next, fourth one, cows. Where do you see cows, children? Very good. In a village, right? C-O-W-S, cows. Under village, right? C-O-W-S, cows. Okay, C-O-W-S, cows. Next one, college. Where do you find college, children? City. Very good, right. C-O-L-L-E-G-E, college. Under city, right? College. C-O-L-L-E-G-E. E-G-E. Okay, everyone is written. College. Right. Okay, now next one. Aeroplane. Where do you find aeroplane, children? City. Very good. Now write A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Under city, right? Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Okay, everyone is written aeroplane. very good. Next one, paddy fields. Where do you find paddy fields? Village or city? Very good. In a village, right. P-A-D-D-Y, paddy. F-I-E-L-D-S, fields. Paddy fields under village. Rafael Patrick, are you writing? Yes. Okay, everyone is written? Okay, now next one, nursing home. Where do you find a nursing home, children? A hospital? Where do you find a nursing home? In the city, very good. So here under city, write N-U-R-S-I-N-G, nursing, H-O-M-E, home, nursing home. Under city, write N-U-R-S-I-N-G, nursing, H-O-M-E, home. Very good. Okay, next one, a potter, a person who makes pots. Where do you find a potter? Very good. So under village, right? P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. Under village, right? P-O-T-T-E-R, potter. Okay. Next one, a theatre. Where do you find a theatre, children? City. Very good. Right. Under city, right. T-H-E-A-T-R-E. Theatre. A-T-R-E. Theatre. Okay. Next one, a museum. Okay, where do you find a museum? In the city. Very good. How many of you all have visited museums? Very good. Yes. Okay, now write. Museum, write under city. M-U-S-E-U-M. You're going. Very good, children. You're also seeing? Okay. Right. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. Yes. Okay. Now next, the last one. Fresh air. Where do you find fresh air, children? In the village. Very good. Why you don't get fresh air in the city? It is polluted. Why is it polluted? Because of pollution. Because of so many vehicles moving around, right? Okay, so fresh air, right under village. Okay, right. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. A-I-R, air, fresh air. Okay. Okay, F-R-E-S-H, fresh. A-I-R, air, fresh air. Okay, everyone is finished? Now next, turn your book to page number 94. Turn your book to page number 94. Okay, we will do the last one exercise and then we will wind up the class. Okay? Complete the sentences with the opposites of the words given in brackets. First one, I am wearing a dash dress. Okay, in the bracket they've given you old. What is the opposite of old?
New dress.
Very good. So in the first dash, write N-E-W, new. Okay, I am wearing a new dress. In the first dash, write new. N-E-W, new. Okay. Next one, the ball is dash. In the bracket they've given you inside. What is the opposite of inside? Outside. Very good. Right. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Okay. Very good. Next one. My grandparents live in a dash. In the bracket they've given you city. Opposite of city is? Very good. Right. Village. Right. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Yes. Okay. Next, last one. We must drink dash milk. In the bracket they've given you cold. Very good. Opposite of cold is? Opposite of cold is hot. Very good. Right. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Okay. All of you have finished writing this? Okay. So with this we complete for today's class. The remaining notes I will be sending you in the group. Okay. The question and answers and the other exercises. Okay, children. Do you all have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Okay, fine. No doubt, we can wind up. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, children. Bye, ma.